Something amazing is about to happen to you that will change every part of your life. This miracle will be so big that it will completely change the way money is handled. You'll see your money grow in magical ways, bringing you endless wealth. It's not going to be enough for you. It will be more than you could have imagined, giving you the freedom to live your life as you please. Picture relationships that are better and inner peace. The peace that I, your Heavenly Father, can only give you, along with not having to worry about money. Please pay close attention to the words I'm giving you right now. It looks like the moment is finally here for you to experience what you've been wishing for. I'm here to open the doors of blessing for you, so you can finally see your dreams come to life. Sure, go ahead and take a break to recharge your tired energy. Take in all the good things life has to give, because you truly deserve every bit of happiness. I can sense your desire for a new car, something that will take you safely and comfortably on all your journeys. I just want to say that now's the perfect moment for you to get behind the wheel of a car that truly shows off all your hard work and commitment. Feel the wind gently brush against your face as you journey to the places you love most. I can sense your worries echoing in the quiet of the night. I get it. When insomnia hits and you're feeling weighed down by troubles, it can be really tough. I'm the God who understands every part of you, every tear you've cried, and every sigh you've held back. I've got a message for you today about hope and transformation. Surprisingly, I'm going to send you a wave of financial abundance to help you settle all your debts and obligations. This flow is sure to bring you some relief and peace for that troubled soul of yours. But hey, this blessing isn't just about your finances. It's going to spill over into your kids' lives, giving them comfort and fulfilling their biggest needs. They're going to enjoy days filled with joy and abundance because of all your hard work and commitment. To really embrace this unexpected abundance, I just need you to fully commit yourself. I created this video just for you, a special message that unlocks the doors to this divine flow. You really should stick around and watch it all the way through. There's some great guidance and wisdom in there that can help you appreciate and manage this blessing with care and thankfulness. Maybe you're feeling like you really want to cling to the promises I'm making to you at this moment. It's time to release that heavy sadness that's been holding you back. Share your tears and all your faith with me today. I just want to take a moment to remind you how deeply I love you and to share all the good vibes I've been sending your way since you first popped into my mind. Even before you were here, I felt like I knew you really well. I've loved you with a love that just doesn't fade away. I made you for a special reason, giving you unique talents to really stand out in this world. I've always been here for you, sharing my love, mending your heart, and wrapping your soul in gentle care, even during those times when you felt all alone. Just so you know, I've always been here for you. I get it. Some days, life can feel really tough, challenges can be scary, and it might seem like your problems are just too complicated to handle. It's easy to feel small when facing tough times. But remember, everything in your life has a purpose and doesn't just happen randomly. It's interesting how even the tough times can turn into something good. I know your soul might be hurting, but I'm here to help lift your spirits. If you care about me, everything tends to turn out well in the end. I promise to always love you and to be there to protect you on every step of your journey. I won't ask anything from you that you can't handle. I really hope you can respond with gratitude, loyalty, and humility. Love me deeply and make me a priority in your life. Trust wholeheartedly that I have an amazing plan for you, a special purpose, and a journey that is both beautiful and fulfilling. I really don't want you to feel lost or adrift. I've given you the amazing gift of eternal life, something truly priceless. I really appreciate how you hold me in your heart with love, reverence, and respect. It means a lot to me. I really hope you don't feel scared of me. Just know that I'm here for you, strong and capable, ready to put an end to any bad intentions out there. But when it comes to you, I come with love and kindness. Think of me as your father, someone who's truly one of a kind, unlike any father you've known on this earth. Just keep in mind that even if you trip up or things don't go as planned, I'm still here for you, no matter what. I'm totally open to forgiving and giving you a fresh start. Let's steer clear of those negative thoughts planted by people caught up in their own bitterness, who mistakenly say, I'm all about hate and punishment. I'm here to stand up to your opponents, shutting down the people who come at you with insults and lies. Our relationship is filled with love, understanding, calmness, kindness, and a sense of tranquility. Don't hold on to fear or insecurity. Just know I'm always here for you, ready to give you the strength and support you need with every choice and step you make. I've got you close, with all the care in the world, helping you navigate through whatever life throws our way. Even when your paths and choices feel a bit tangled, just know that I have perfect plans in store for you. My ideas and goals are on a whole different level than what you might imagine. Even if you can't see why certain challenges are happening, trust that I'm working things out to turn your struggles into blessings. I just want to remind you that your best days are still ahead. Even when things seem tough, remember that I'm working behind the scenes to set you up for a future filled with joy and prosperity. Don't let looks fool you. I've got a plan to help you thrive, even when things around you feel a bit shaky. There are times when I just hold you close, waiting for the right moment to keep going. Just trust me, okay? I'm here to look out for you and guide you, always keeping an eye on things. Appreciate this life, because what's meant for you won't miss you. Every experience and challenge you face is helping to shape you for the purpose I have in store for your life. Stay strong in your faith, because your journey plays a key role in my divine plan. Don't worry, my dear. I'm right here with you, and my love for you is beyond words. Keep pushing ahead with confidence. I'm here to turn your tears into joy and your challenges into chances. You're surrounded by love and blessings, and the future ahead of you is going to be even more amazing than you can picture. Say, God is my light, to show your faith in the Lord. You're not by yourself. You've got this. You'll come out on top. You're going to get better from that illness, and you'll get back what's rightfully yours. Believe in what I say. Have faith in your Father. I can say for sure that what I promise will definitely happen. Even when it feels like the whole world is against you, your win is just around the corner. If you're hearing this, it means your moment is finally here. I've got something supernatural to share with you. You can sense it deep down in your soul, can't you? You can feel it in your gut. Something amazing is just around the corner, ready to unfold. With a little bit of genuine faith, I can help bring some amazing changes to your life. This is what I need from you. Hey, just take a moment to listen, really understand, and then embrace and accept everything with love. I get that you're in a tough spot right now, but try to stay calm. I'm already on it for you. You might be feeling a bit confused. The chatter in your head might make it hard to hear the soft whispers of my Holy Spirit. Keep your ears open. Don't let frustration from your mistakes take over your thoughts. Don't be too tough on yourself. It's important to let go and forgive yourself. I get that you used to feel really strong, but now it seems like that strength is slipping away. I get that you're feeling tired and weak right now, but remember, my strength shines brightest when you're at your lowest. Don't forget what I said in Joshua 1 verse 9. Did I not tell you? Stay strong and brave. Just remember that the Lord your God is always with you, no matter where you are. All right, let's tackle this together. I need you to stand tall, confront this situation with bravery, and really listen to what I'm about to share. Don't worry about those lurking in the shadows with sneaky motives. May these words spark the love in your heart once again. You'll get the hang of tackling challenges and tough situations. You're going to scale walls, take on armies, and hold your ground in battle just like a true warrior. Don't let those who whisper or point fingers get to you, and don't worry about the storms brewing up ahead. I'm here with you, always by your side. I'm your father, and all I really want is to keep you safe, because you're my precious kid. I've got your back, and no challenge or foe is too big for us to handle together. I'll make sure you come out on top. You're going to do great. I'm the one who takes care of all your needs, the Lord of gold and silver. I lift up those who are humble and good, but I bring down the deceivers and oppressors who pose a threat to my people. You've got the win. I'm here to be your source of strength. Come to me when the storm hits. I'm here for you, your safe place, your God. Don't think for a second that this situation is going to take away your happiness or the success that's just around the corner for you. You've really committed yourself to your family and come closer to me with such strong faith. Your heart just skips a beat with happiness. My power is already at work, creating miracles in your life thanks to your faithfulness and genuine, active faith. No need to stress. You've made a great choice, and I'm here to support you. You called out, and here I am responding. I'll give you plenty more years packed with wisdom, and you'll use that to share my light with those who are still in the dark. Just so you know, when you pray, I'm all ears. Just hang tight in your heart for my reply. How about giving me a shot to share my perspective and see things from my side? I'm here for you, guiding you, giving you life and strength. In my opinion, there's a lot of strength in words. Please try to get what I'm saying to you. When you listen to my voice and take in these words of love, I'll be here to help with your problems. I hold the key to your freedom right here. Today, I'm here to bring you a sense of hope that will put an end to your struggles for good. This special love lights up every part of you, wiping away your past and the mistakes that brought you hurt. I've changed your heart. You're never really on your own. I haven't left you for even a second. Take a moment to look at these conflicts for what they truly are. Steps you can take on your journey to maturity and success. I'm not going to let you take a step back. Stay tuned, because some great things are on the way. I've given you a fresh start. Let's not go back to those old habits of feeling isolated and scared, like before you met me. You're going to overcome your enemies, and those awful feelings of despair and loneliness won't bother you anymore. Just keep in mind that I'm here for you. You've got what it takes to tackle any challenge that comes your way. You'll be so brave that you'll tackle mountains, no matter how tall they get. You're going to get a handle on your emotions. Even when things get tough, you'll stay calm and collected, keeping your cool no matter what challenges come your way. Take a moment to rest and keep in mind that I'm always here for you. I hold each of you close, and your names are forever in my heart. I made a promise to you, and it was solidified by my significant sacrifice. Don't ever forget this. I really love you. In this lovely moment, as I share my thoughts, and you take them in, just know how much love I have for you. I'm expressing my deep feelings for you, and want you to know that I'll always be by your side. No matter if it's day or night, whether things are going smoothly or not, I'm right here looking out for you. I'm sending you what you need, just when you need it, with all the lovely details. I'm breathing my divine breath into your life, bringing you peace even when you're facing tough times. No matter where you are, I'll be there for you. I really cherish the moments when you call and I get to respond. I'm sending you the morning sun and a gentle dawn breeze. My love surrounds you like a cozy embrace, boosting your confidence and transforming your struggles into opportunities, so you can trust in my everlasting promise. No one and nothing can ever take you away from me. I get it, I really do. You've been through a lot. I'm aware of both your present and your past. Today, hold on to my promises, knowing that I've kept you strong and that you're here with us. Your future and destiny are bright because you belong to me. Please just remember not to let your experiences and feelings come between us. Don't let fear and worry creep back in. I'm here to bring some change to your home, your future, your character, your dreams, and your plans. Just trust me and allow me to be a part of your life. Let me help you explore some new paths together. Feel free to come on in. I've let you off the hook for any mistakes from the past. You tackled your challenges directly, always stepping up to take responsibility. You're really brave, my dear child. Even with your imperfections, you mean a lot to me. I help those who decide to follow my path. I support those who are committed to serving, those who love wholeheartedly, and who show patience, mercy, and fairness. I offer talent, wisdom, and grace. A brand new season is here, and guess what? I've picked you and your family for a really special mission. I'm reaching out for your life, your service, and your dreams. Start your new project with both wisdom and enthusiasm. Just a little reminder that your blessing might be right around the corner, even if it doesn't feel like it. Today, you'll really get to see just how deep my love for you goes. Could you take a quick pause, please? I'm asking this because I care, noticing how much those worries seem to be weighing on you. Maybe try to quiet those racing thoughts for a bit. Can you spare a moment of your day for me? Just take a moment to feel my presence and really listen, because I'm talking straight to your heart. I look forward to seeing you every day, noticing all the effort and dedication you put in, and I'm really hoping for great results. But at the end of the day, you're just worn out and have no time to recharge. It sounds like you've been having a tough time with sleep and not feeling your best. I really hope you can find some time to rest, to pray, to explore my word, and to reconnect with me. I really want to help you out, make your life better, and see your hard work pay off. Your heart is like a delicate flower, full of potential for amazing beauty. It just needs the right nourishment, the living water that brings you to life and helps you along your journey. If you focus more on your tasks than on our relationship, you might find yourself drifting away from me, forgetting the love we share, and missing out on the chance to refresh your spirit with my company. If you don't have that connection, you might struggle a bit. You don't have to work hard to get what I can easily share with you. There's no need to try to please or impress anyone else. Absolutely, putting in the effort and being dedicated is important, but don't forget to include me in the process. Don't ever put me at the bottom of the list. Just know that I'm always here, excited to give you my attention and to fill your life with endless love. If you really get how much you need me and can take in what I'm saying today, then let's strengthen our connection again. Share your heart, your thoughts, your soul, your efforts, and every precious minute you can spare with me. There's no need to worry. This isn't a waste of time at all. If you genuinely give me something, I'll make sure to return it many times over. I'm all about health, happiness, and living life with courage and peace. I just want you to know that I love you a lot, and I'm not angry with you at all. I speak from a place of deep yearning.